up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to part 41. Yes folks, 41 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself folks, click this link all the way along here. Head over to the Fanhome website and you too can be building along with me this beautiful 1/8 scale model. Now, we're on part 41 or kit 41 and this is going to be the gearbox cover and support bracket. Okay, so these goodies there is what you're going to be doing today. Nice simple issue. You're going to be getting the section that we did last time, your chassis section, and we're going to be fitting this underneath like so, and then using the PSO5 screws to secure it in place, and then we'll flip it back up and then we'll put the cross bracket in place that helps hold the gearbox in situ. And that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay, going to end up with a nice gearbox in place, looking rather splendid, just like that. Okay, so that's what we're going to end up with. So I'll drop that at the back there and grab me bits and bobs, and we could start building. So there's pack 41 as it arrives for you, with all your bits inside. So we'll just quickly pop this open and we'll do some buildikins. Just like that. Have you some of him? Get me screws open, and then we can put them on the mat, all nice and ready. Just like that. Pop. We got me screwdrivers and our oil as well. So let's get the chassis over from last week, and it's looking rather splendid, isn't it? Look at that. It's beginning to weigh a bit and all. And this is the underside of the gearbox, folks. So that's going to sit just in there like that. Okay. And then the screws will go through from the other side into here. Okay. So we'll grab a screw and put a bit of oil on it now. Purely and simply because I've got to do a deft bit of tilting and keep that underneath there whilst I put the screw in. If I do the front one first, put it in a couple of turns. Oh, that's gone straight in. I might as well do that all the way up then. There you go. And then I'll spin it round this way. And that can now be held in place by the first screw. And it'll just make it easier for me to put this next one in. A little bit of oil on the thread there. Although we're going into plastic, it does help. Helps the screw go in a lot smoother. And then just prop that up with my finger so that as I go fully in, it will now pull that gearbox up nice and tight. Just like that. Okay. That's now securely in place, so we can flip that over like so. And then we can start getting ready to put the bracket across, which is this piece here. Okay. Now it looks like it's only going to go one way, but I'll just check just to make sure that it's not handed. Doesn't appear to be. And that should then go across in there like so. That's what we're looking at. Like that. Okay. Yep, I'm happy with that. So again, holding that in place, let's just grab a screw, put a bit of oil in. Just like so. Little drop on there. And then if I hold one side for now, we can then pop that screw just in there, like that. And then flip it back just to check. There you go, that's gone in place. And then I'll flip it that way this time. Pick up my screw, and then I'll be able to grip that side nearer to me then. Just like that. Lift it up, put my finger underneath there, and I'll feel that the bracket's located, and then just bring your screw nicely home like that. Don't over tighten it because it's going into plastic, so you don't want to cross your threads at all. But that now has popped that gearbox in place with its bracket nice and securely. But already, can't you see how that's coming together? Look at that. Isn't it? It's a massive, massive thing. Yeah, I'm liking that. And again, I'll go, now that everything's coming in place, I can go over this again, give this another little coat of paint, just sweeten it up. And yeah, once this is built, I shall go round, probably fill all the screw holes in once it's all built, and then I shall just lightly weather the underside as well, because that's me, because when I mount mine, it's actually going to go on mirror tiles. So yeah, you'll be able to see underneath. So yeah, there you go, folks. So that's this issue done and dusted. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Just remember, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, click the link along here and in the description. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for the Gone in 60 Seconds Eleanor. You will not be disappointed, you really won't. A beautiful 1/8 scale replica, and yeah, it is an absolute thing of beauty. In the meantime, stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next issue. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Oh, look at tits. Look at tits.